Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of UPSC Maths Optional 2024 question from topic the sphere. Question is given, find the equation of the sphere which touches the plane 3x plus 2y minus of z plus 2 is equal to 0 at the point 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 and cuts orthogonally the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus of 4x plus of 6y plus of 4 is equal to 0. Let's solve the problem. Given equation of plane is 3x plus of 2y minus of z plus of 2 is equal to 0. Let this equation 1 and general equation of a sphere is general equation of a sphere is x square plus of y square plus of z square minus of 2ux plus of 2ux plus of 2vy plus of 2wz plus of d is equal to 0. Let this is equation 2 and equation 2 cuts orthogonally the sphere x square plus of y square plus of z square minus of 4x plus of 6y plus of 4 is equal to 0. Let this equation third. If the sphere 1 sphere 2 cuts orthogonally, then the condition of orthogonality is orthogonality is 2u1 plus of 2vv1 plus of 2ww1 is equal to d plus of d1. We have to calculate the value of u1, v1, w1 and d1 from equation third. We get here u1 is equal to minus of 2 and v1 is equal to 3 and w1 is equal to 0 and d1 is equal to 4. And we have to put the value in the condition of orthogonality. We get here minus of 4u plus of 6v and w1 is 0, this part is 0 is equal to d plus of 4. Let this equation 4. In the given question, if a sphere touches the plane, sphere touches the plane 3x plus of 2y minus of z plus of 2 is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to 0 at the point 1 comma minus 2 comma 1, then we have to write the equation of tangent plane on the sphere 2, sorry. We have to writing tangent equation. This is x1 plus of y1 plus of z1 plus of ux plus of x1 plus of v y plus of y1 plus of w z plus of z1 and plus of d is equal to 0. And the given equation of tangent plane to the sphere passes through the point. Point is we have to let in x1, y1, z1. So we have to put it in the given condition. Here we get x minus of 2y and plus of, here is once again plus of z and plus of u, x plus of 1, here x1 is 1 plus of v, y1 is minus of 2 plus of w, z1 is 1 and plus of d is equal to 0. We have to simplifying this x minus of 2y plus of z plus of ux plus of u and plus of vy minus of 2v plus of wz plus of w plus of d is equal to 0. Taking x and 4x in one bracket, taking x is common, we get here x plus of, once again, x, once again, this is u, ux, x and ux is taken in one bracket, we have to get 1 plus of u. Similarly, for minus of 2y and minus of vy is taken one bracket, taking y is common, we get here v minus of 2, v minus of 2, and for z, wz and z is taken one bracket, taking z is common, we get here w plus of 1, and the remaining is here, remaining is, once again we have to let, this is plus of u and minus of 2v, minus of 2v plus of w plus of d is equal to 0. Let this equation fit. Comparing equation 1 and fifth, we get here 1 plus of u upon 3 is equal to v minus of 2, v minus of 2 upon 2 is equal to v minus of, once again, x1, v minus 2 upon 2, and here is w plus 1 upon minus of 1, and is equal to u minus of 2b plus w plus of d upon 2. Let this is equal to lambda. Further we have to solving this, we get the value of lambda, u, v and w. First we have to taking 1 plus of u by 3 is equal to lambda, and from here 1 plus of u is equal to 3 lambda, and we get here u is equal to 3 lambda minus of 1. Similarly for second part we have to taking v minus of 2 upon 2 is equal to lambda, we get here v is equal to 2 lambda, and taking, once again, v minus of 2 is equal to 2 lambda, and from here v is equal to 2 lambda plus of 2. Similarly for third part we have to taking w plus of 1 upon minus of 1 is equal to lambda, and we get here w plus of 1 is equal to minus of lambda, and w is equal to, once again, w is equal to minus of lambda and minus of 1. And similarly for third part, taking u minus of 2v plus of w plus of d is equal to 2 lambda on cross multiplication. Let this equation fit. Sixth, and putting the value of u, v, w in equation fifth. Putting the value of, once again we have to rough this portion. Putting the, we can also, this part is roughing. Putting the value of u, v, w in equation 6th. This is equation 6. Equation 6. Here u is equal to 3 lambda minus of 1. 3 lambda minus of 1 and minus of 2v. 2 into v is equal to here 2 lambda plus of 2. 2 lambda plus of 2. And for w plus of w is equal to minus of, minus is taking common, once again here. This is lambda plus of 1, so we have to write in here minus of lambda plus of 1. And here is plus of d is equal to 2 lambda. And further we have to solving, we get the value of, once again, we get the value of lambda. From here this 3 lambda minus of 1, this is minus of 4 lambda and minus of 4, minus of lambda minus of 1 plus of d is equal to 2 lambda and 3 lambda, and this is minus of 4 lambda and minus of lambda, this is minus of 5 lambda, minus of 5 lambda and plus of 3, minus of 2 lambda, minus of 2 lambda is taken to right hand side, we get 2 lambda plus of 2 lambda, and here is minus of 1 and minus of 1 and minus of 4, we get minus of 6 taken to right hand side, this is plus of 6, we get here d is equal to 4 lambda plus of 6, and putting the value of this in equation 4th. Putting the value, once again we have to write in, putting the value of u, v and d in equation 4th. Putting here, this is minus of 4 and u is given by 3 lambda minus of 1, 3 lambda minus of 1 and plus of 6v, and v is given by here 2 lambda plus of 2, 2 lambda plus of 2, and here is equal to d is we have to calculate a 4 lambda plus of 6, 4 lambda plus of 6, and here is already 4 is, once again put in equation 6th, put in equation 4, sorry, d plus, and further we have to solving, once again we have to rough here, we have to solving here, we get 4 theta minus of 12 lambda plus of 4 plus of 6 to the 12 lambda plus of 12 is equal to 4 lambda plus of 10, and from here minus of 12 lambda and plus of 12 lambda is cancelled out, and the remaining is here plus of 4 and plus of 12 is plus of 16 is equal to 4 lambda plus of 10, and we get here 4 lambda is equal to 16 minus of 10, we get here 6, and lambda is equal to 6 upon 4, we get here 2 to the 6, 2 to the 4, we get here lambda is equal to 3 by 2, lambda is equal to 3 by 2. We have to putting here the value of lambda, we get the value of w here, we have to put in w is equal to minus of, in place of lambda we have to put in 3 by 2 and plus of 1, we have to solve in, we get here 2 to the 2 and 2, and this is 5 by 2, this is minus of 5 by 2, the value of w is minus of 5 by 2, taking LCM 2 to 2 and 3 plus 2 is 5 minus of 5 by 2. Similarly we have to put in here, we get the value of u is equal to 3 lambda minus of 1, 3 into lambda value is 3 by 2 and minus of 1, we have to solve in, this is 9 minus of 2 upon 2, we get here u is equal to 7 by 2, Similarly for v, we have to put in here v is equal to 2 into lambda is 3 by 2 plus of 2, and 2 is cancelled out, we get here v is equal to 5, the value of v is 5, and further we have to find the value of d also, so we have to put in, once again putting the value of UVWD and lambda in equation 6th, we get the value of d. Once again we have to put in, and we can also put here d is equal to 4 into lambda is 3 by 2 plus of 6, and once again we have to roughing this portion, and we have to get here d is equal to 2 to the 4, and this is 6 plus 6 is 12, then d is equal to 12, and putting the value in the general equation of a sphere, we get the required solution of the given problem. Once again we have to put in we have to put in x square plus of y square plus of z square. We have to calculate it here. The value of u is 7 by 2. 7 by 2, this is 2 into 7 by 2 into x plus of 2, and v is equal to, we have to calculate it, this is 5. 2 into 5 into y plus of 2, we have to calculate it. The value of w is minus of 5 by 2. This is minus of 5 by 2 into z plus, we have to calculate the value of d is 12 here. 12 is equal to 0, and further we have to simplify, we get the required result. This is 2 to 2 is cancel out, and here is also 2 to 2 is cancel out. We get here x square plus of y square plus of z square plus of 7x and plus of 10y and minus of 5z plus of 12 is equal to 0. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.